Hey there guys, it's Lee here for iMineBlocks. Welcome back to another video. So I just wanted to do a quick update video regarding the Zcash miner. So the first video that I done was a Zcash miner, but it specifically only connected to the nice hash pool. And lots of people were kind of saying it wasn't exactly what they wanted because that particular miner only exchanged for Bitcoins when people really wanted it, particularly in the start, to mine Zcash for themselves and hold Zcash coins. So since that time, the nice hash miner has been forked to connect to multiple pools. So now you can connect it directly to the Supernova pool. You can use the same miner to Zcash coins rather than exchanging for Bitcoin. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to do that with the forked version of that same miner. So we're just going to start off at the Supernova pool for Zcash. So it's zec.supernova.cc, and I'll just go directly to the getting started page there. For you, if you just click on help, it will open up this same page. So then what we need to do is download the updated version of the miner. So I believe it is this one. So the fork is done by OC Miner. So let's just download this. I'm going to be downloading the SSE2 version, which is the code set that my CPU supports. If you have a newer CPU, one that's made within the last sort of 2 to 3 years, you can probably just use the top miner, which is one that supports AVX. So just check on your, what your chip supports. So I'm just going to download the SSE2 version. That's downloaded. And I'm just going to extract that. Okay, so we've got a couple of programs there. We've got the actual miner program and a couple of DLLs, and then we've got this EDZ coin mine and it's a command line shortcut. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to create a batch file because I find that's the easiest way to work with these programs. Let me just copy this. We'll go back to that same folder, and it'll be easier for you guys as well. So I'll just use this batch file and I'll show you exactly what's inside. So if you go to edit, so I just need to make some changes here. So the program is just called nheqminer.exe, and then we've got the pool location set there. Then we've got our username, which is risky fire, then dot, and then we've got our worker name and p password. It should be X from memory, and the CPU threads, I'm just going to set that to 4. So I'm just going to save this now. That should be all the information that we need in there. Just double check, make sure I save that. Now if I start the actual batch file, it should connect to the Supernova pool and start mining Zcash, and obviously those funds will get credited to the pool, and then from there we can actually withdraw them. So let's start the miner now. So you can see it's connected to the actual pool, Supernova. We're mining on 4 threads, and then we've received new jobs. It just confirms our worker details. Then we've got accepted shares, and then you can see the hash rate. It's just started off there, and then we are basically mining. So this is mining Zcash. It's mining to the pool, so your earnings are going to be in Zcash, and hopefully you guys are happy. So I'm just going to leave it there. I'm not going to go into too much more detail on this video, just a short one, just to get you guys up and running with Zcash, and hopefully you found it helpful. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.